If you need to share a large file without email limits, Google Drive is one of the easiest ways to do it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to upload a large file, generate a shareable link, and choose the right permission settings so other people can open it without any trouble. This works great for videos, documents, zip files, photos, and other big files you want to send quickly. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. First, open Google Drive in your browser and sign in with your Google account. Once you're inside Drive, look for the New button on the left side of the screen. Click it and then choose File Upload. This is the option you want when you need to upload a large file from your computer into Google Drive. Now locate the file on your device that you want to share. It could be a large video file, a PDF, a folder archive, or any other file you need to send. Select the file and click Open or Upload, depending on your device. Google Drive will start uploading the file to your account. If the file is very large, just let the upload finish completely before moving on. You'll usually see a progress bar at the bottom or in the top right area. Once the upload is complete, find the file inside your Google Drive list. Right-click the file to open the menu. From here, click Get Link. This is the step that lets you create a shareable link for anyone you choose. Before copying the link, look at the access settings. By default, the file may be restricted to only people you've added. If you want to share it more easily, change the access to anyone with the link. That means anyone who gets the link can open the file without you having to invite them one by one. Next, choose the permission level. For most situations, Viewer is the safest and most recommended option. Viewer lets people open and view the file, but not edit it. If you're sharing a file for review or download, Viewer is usually the best choice. If you need someone to make changes, you can choose Commenter or Editor, but only do that if you really trust the person. After setting the access and permission, click Copy Link. The link is now saved to your clipboard, and you can paste it into an email, message, chat, or anywhere else you want to send it. The person you share it with can then open the file directly from Google Drive. If you want to double-check everything, you can test the link in a private browser window or send it to yourself first to confirm that the permissions are working the way you want. That's a smart step, especially when you're sharing important files. And that's it. You've now learned how to share large files on Google Drive in just a few simple steps. Upload the file, get the link, set it to anyone with the link, choose Viewer, and copy it for sharing. It's fast, simple, and one of the most reliable ways to send large files online. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tech topic you want next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.